just flew on Joseph's head. Jimmy? Be careful, be careful. Lucy's opening up the door. Lucy, close the door, close the door, close the door. Close it, close it. Look what happened to Rosie. Kita is, Rosie has been on there for a couple of minutes and we're live on Facebook, so. Hello, people. She just flew in. It's just a bird and it has nothing to see with it. We have a problem. I don't think this bird is going to come off anytime soon. And she's picking his hair out.
Yeah, she's grooming him.
It's actually filthy, right? It's actually filthy. Doesn't even hurt. Oh my god. Wait.
Rosie.
Baking a
What are you
cake gone
doing to
wrong.
Joseph, Rosie?
This is baking gone wrong now.
This is baking gone wrong.
Yes, is my video still recording? I don't know. But I got it recorded. Yes, it is. Recording. See, when you're a YouTuber, you gotta YouTube everything.
Especially birds on your head.
Did Lucy just walk away and not take her off?
Yes, she did.
Rosie.
And guys, this is not fake. Can someone help me? This bird is really stuck on. Is really seriously. I got a bird on my head. And plus, she bites. So if you try to get her off, she's gonna bite. Well, this is Rosie, guys. Meet Rosie.
Stop.
It's the Rosie, the bird who gets stuck on my head.
You should walk over to her cage and like.
Yes, that's what I was thinking of. So Rosie, we're gonna take a trip.
So we're about to be cooking in a minute.
So taking a trip, Rosie. Here, Rosie. Come on, Rosie. Thank you, Rosie. Say, guys. So, guys, Rosie was on my hair, my head. See, look and say hi, Rosie. This is my bird, Rosie. Say hi, Rosie. It's a beautiful bird. Say hi, Rosie. Cheese for the camera. Well, I had to walk over here, and she went on into her cage. So, guys, that was it for this video. I just wanted to record it because my bird was on my head. So, peace out, guys. See you again in a new video.